What's up, guys? Welcome back into the Millennial Prophet. My name's Adam and I'm a full-time reseller. So my original intro actually got deleted, so I'm actually refilming this. Right now it's Monday night, but the first part of this video that you're gonna see was yesterday afternoon around like 4 p.m. On Sunday. I started packaging everything up. I think I said in the video I had around like $1,700 in sales that I was packaging up. And then you'll see how much more I added Sunday night and Monday afternoon, the second part of the video. Here's everything I've sold as of 4/10 on Sunday. Again, I'm most likely going to sell a decent amount more of stuff between now and tomorrow when I finish packaging up. So I will go through all that stuff later, but right now I'll just go through all of this. This is about $1,700 worth of sales. You guys seemed to like the first person point of view last time, so we're going to keep that up. So we got this women's Dolphins shirt. This was about 20 cents, I think, at my local auction. I'm selling for like 10 bucks. And I got this Guy Harvey youth shirt. Again, about 50 cents at my auction. Got a whole case of them. Sold it for 15. Denver Nuggets drawstring backpack. Got it for $1 at my auction. Sold it for 12. Sold this guy on Mercari. I got him out there on eBay and Mercari. It was $20 actually, midsummer. Really nice majestic Reds jacket, and I sold it for $68. Really good price for that person. I'm just trying to move them because I have a ton of them. Cleveland Cavaliers shirt. This was a long time ago. It was $250, but I sold it for like 10 bucks. I'm just trying to clear out old inventory, and I'm not losing money on it. Got this dog coat here. This was $2 at my local auction, and I sold it for $25. Got two of these sweatshirts. If you watched my videos in the past, you know I got these for $1.20 and two different pallets. And I'm selling probably like 5 a week at these random schools. I'm moving through them really quick. I'm definitely already in the profit on that, and still have boom, boom, boom. All these are those sweatshirts. So literally all that, every one of those that sells is going to be profit. All right. Next, we got a Boys in the Hood hoodie. This was $15 at Marshall's, and I sold it for 40 bucks. Got a Reptar Rules hoodie that was $20 at Marshall's, sold it for $42. Pretty cool. This Cal State Fullerton blanket. I got a case of these at my auction for $1.30 a piece, I believe, and I sold it for $28.99. Really getting into the shoe game. I'm entering into a lot of different games I didn't know I would be in, and it's pretty surprising how much money there is. I used to only sell hats, and then I entered into clothes. Now I'm in shoes as well, and just starting to do cards and other stuff. You never know, there's money to be made everywhere. So these were $20 at Meyer. You saw me get these, and I sold them for 60 bucks. Those are really nice shoes. Good price for them too. Just sold this Star Wars guy on Facebook. These are big right now because it's got Cara Dune, who they canceled for some stupid political reason. So they dropped her from the show. So anything you have that has Cara Dune in it, or if you see it, pick it up because it will sell hot. You've seen me sell these before. Yankees duffel bags. Paid $4 for 4 cases of those. You've heard the story on that in the past. And I just sell them for like 16 to 18 bucks because I have so many of them. Last one of this shade of hat, sun hat. These were like 50 cents at my auction. Selling them for 12 bucks on Mercari. Sold this guy on eBay. Got it for 25 cents in the bins at my pallet place and sold it for $13.99. Like I said, I'm getting into cards. So I opened some NBA Hoops packs. I'm actually going to have a video coming for you guys on unboxing some of those. I got some of those on the way that I'm going to open up, and we will see what I get. First couple ones I opened up were pretty good. I got this $20 Anthony Davis Slam one. I got a bunch of these like rookies that are worth $5 and $6. This one was like $6.99. And then a Dirk one worth like 12 to 15 bucks. You saw me do the Fortnite video. This one sold for $25. I've already sold several of those high ticket ones. Not the 2 giant ones, but I'm asking a lot of money for those. And then I had videos on the Pokemon cards. I've sold most of those, but I still have some stragglers left. This one's $8 is what I got for it. Then I've got a little snow globe here, SeaWorld snow globe. These were 50 cents, selling for $1. Come pre-packaged, so it's really easy. BYU hat, got that in that hat pallet a long time ago. That was about $2 a hat, selling it for 15. Weighing the money on that. Another pallet that I'm massively in the profit on. This one that was cookware. You see me probably every Monday sell 1 or 2 of these. This is a cake topper, sell it for 10 bucks. So one of my Flobies, these are nice from the cook group. If you haven't watched that video on the cook group, you definitely need to join a cook group. Join Monitor Mafia. It's $30 a month, and it is ridiculous the amount of things you can get. I've already copped 3 PS5 since being in the group, just over a month. This Floby, some above ground pools, lots of stuff. Anyway, everything you need to know is down in the description. Definitely think about it, and you get a free week trial, so why not? Then I sold 4 of these earplugs. You saw me get these in some past videos. Someone bought 3 of them. They were $5 a box, and I'm selling them for $24 a pop. Sold these finally. I want to say these were like 50 bucks, and I sold them for 100. They could have been 60, but either way, I made good profit on these Nike Air Maxes. New Mexico State Aggies. This was surprisingly $2 at Marshall's. You saw me get this in one of my videos. Got a lot of these small school hats. Anything with that mossy oak or real tree camo is going to be good, especially at $2.99, and sold that for $17.99. SeaWorld sweatpants. You've seen me sell these as well in the past. These were like 50 cents in my online auction, and sold them for 14 bucks. Cleveland Browns hat, $9.99 at Marshall's, sold it for 25 bucks. Got this in a pallet. It is that looked really bad the way I opened that. It's still not looking great. Trust me, it's Arnold Schwarzenegger. Can't get it open, but yeah, it's just a poster. Got it in a pallet. It was like $1 an item pallet, which I've sold tons of those. A lot of posters and flags in that pallet, and I sold that for $14. And half of what I sold over the weekend, these 2 flag pallets that I got. Wow, sometimes you just hit the jackpot on pallets, and those were, because I got flags there. I got more flags there from that pallet, more there, and I got some more upstairs. I mean, it's just the gift that keeps on giving. Also, while I'm filming this, I just sold another New York Yankees bag, so add that to the tally. Anyway, talking about flags, yeah, I don't even know how many there is, like 25 probably. Most of them between $15 and $20 a pop. Also on Friday, I made a Facebook Marketplace sale where I met a guy. So I got this Jeep cover right here. I paid $40 for it at my auction. Had to hold it for like a month. I knew it was going to take a while to sell because these Jeep trucks are brand new, but I knew I'd find the right buyer. Listed it for $150, sold straight cash. So I met him at the Meijer, and I went in, and the lady was stocking cards, so I was able to pick up some Pokemon Shining Fates, which I'm starting a Pokemon box collection where I'm collecting a bunch of sealed boxes. Actually, not just Pokemon. I'm getting some sports boxes too, Fortnite boxes, and just holding them because it just seems like a really good investment right now. So I'm starting a little stash where I'm just holding sealed boxes of things, and we'll see where that goes. So again, like I said, I just started selling hats when I first started. That's something I knew. I knew how to look at the value of a hat and say, okay, this is worth more than $2.99. I can get more for that. Then I decided, oh, let's try to get into some other stuff. So now I'm selling blankets, backpacks, shirts, sweatshirts, anything you can think of. Mainly sports related. That's still in the area of stuff that I know. So stick to stuff you know. I've talked about this in the past. Don't limit yourself to one platform, but try to expand, look up some other stuff. So I'm getting to know sports cards and shoes. I didn't know those, but I did do some but I've began doing some research on those because there's a lot of money in shoes and cards. Cards are big right now too, so you can sell them with the sealed packs, but I personally like to open them and sell them individually. Sometimes I'll sell the sealed boxes of them and open some of them, but some of the hits I've been having lately, it's been worth it to open a lot of the cards that I've gotten. Little bit of a side note there, but now I'm going to get to packaging up all of my stuff, and I will get back to you once I finish packaging everything that I can for tonight, and then we'll see what I sell overnight into tomorrow. All right, since you guys last saw me, I sold another 18 things since last night to this morning. It's currently Monday at 10 a.m. So my totals are 84 items for $2,041 in sales. All right, so here's some more things that I sold. I also sold like 5 patches on Mercari for like $8. I gotta pull those out. And then I sold like a little Oyo figure. But I sold these KDs. Someone offered me like $70. I've had them for a little bit. You saw me get them. So I decided to take it. It's like a $10 profit. I would like to get 90 or 80 for them, but sometimes you just got to cut your losses if it wasn't a great buy. Mickey Mouse cake decorator, $10. You've heard me talk about those. These were in that same palette. Sold 2 of them for $13. Sold 2 Harvard sweatshirts. Those were $1.20 a piece, and sold those for 20 a pop. I got $25 for this Mr. Red hat at $10. And then I sold all these cards. These were all around 10 to 15 a piece, and then 13 for that one. And then lastly, I sold a reseller box for $35. Now, I only have a select few of these. I've got like 20 of them, I think. You can check them down below in the description if you're interested. So basically, I'm trying to clear out some inventory, so I'm just selling away a box of at least 20 items over $200, $250 retail. It's all brand new, most of it brand new with tags. You will not be disappointed. You'll get a lot of good inventory. So if you're interested, check that link down below. All right, guys, I just finished packaging up. Wow, what a weekend. Look at that. I'm super, super blessed to be able to do this as a living. I could not be more thankful with the opportunities that have been presented to me. Absolutely ridiculous weekend in sales. Feels like it's Q4 with the December sales here again. All right, so I crunched the numbers. So we had $2,041 in sales, $205 in fees, subtract the cost of goods sold, $450, and the shipping labels of $334 for a profit of $1,052. To be able to do a profit of $1,000 in a weekend is just crazy in mid-February. I mean, this is supposed to be the downtime. It's Q1. So to keep doing this volume and carry it all throughout the year, that would be tremendous. Anytime I can do over 50% profit, I'd say you want to strive for that. Obviously, fees and shipping and cost of goods sold is going to take out a lot of it. If you can subtract all that out and still make 50% profit, it's a good time. So basically what I mean by 50% profit, so I had $2,000 in sales. So anything over $1,000 would have been 50% profit. So of my sales, I did 50%. That's what I mean when I say 50% profit. I know some people are like, oh, well, you bought the item for $8 and sold it for $24. That's 300% profit or whatever. But basically what I'm saying is percentage of my sales. So if I did $2,000 and I sell over $1,000, I did over 50% profit on my sales. So I appreciate everyone for watching. Again, I've got some reseller boxes available. It's going to be a lot of brand new stuff. I'm just trying to clear out some of my inventory here. Great stuff. Most of it I've sold myself. I just have lots of it and I'm trying to clear it out. I won't send too many of one item. I'll send 1s and 2s of things to give you a good variety of stuff. A lot of stuff you can move on eBay. A lot of stuff you can move on Facebook Marketplace or Mercari. Even some clothes you can move on Poshmark if that's where you sell. Definitely check that out. It'll be the first link down in my bio. So thank you for watching The Millennial Prophet.